Hey guys, welcome back to Xhosa Past Tenses. So the third past tense that I've put together is one that isn't found in your Xhosa study materials in the course books and so forth, but I put it here because I come across it quite often. Basically, it's a combination of the first two kinds of the past tense. So you have the ile or perfect past ending, and you have the bendi or besi or ubu, the I was doing it, the recent continuous past prefix. So you have a combination of the past tense prefix and the past tense ending. And I'm not 100% sure what the requirements are for using this as opposed to just the perfect past tense, ditengile. And I'm also not sure if there's much of a difference, but I have noticed that this form is very common, especially with verbs that are monosyllabic. So you have like uku, ya, to go. You'll often have the past tense with both ebe, ye, the past ending and the past beginning. But it's not only for these monosyllabic verbs. Anyhow, benditengile would be I bought. I was buying, but also the past ending I bought. Benditengile. Benditenge isonka nobisi. So again, you have both long and short forms. I bought bread and milk. Benditenge isonka nobisi. Ebe yepi. Where did he or she go? So ebe as opposed to ubu for the past continuous for he or she, as opposed to ubu, which is you. Ebe yepi, he was going where? Ebe ye dolopini. Ebe ye edolopini, he went to town. And then the fourth past tense that I've summarized here is one that is used often in songs and in stories. It's called the remote past because it's something that happened long ago, and you can recognize this because of the sound in the stem. So instead of saying ndifunda, it would be ndafunda. I don't need to change the ending. I just changed the prefix, and this means I studied, I learned. Ndathenga indlu elwandle. I bought, long ago, I bought a house at the sea. Wahamba, you left. Wahlala eMonti, you stayed or lived in East London. Safunda euniversity, we learned at university. Intombi yatshintsha igama lakhe, the girl changed, ya, because it's intombi iya, yatshintsha. She changed her name. And the last past tense is a combination again of the long ago remote past and the continuous past. So instead of bendi, I was able to. Ndandi is long ago I was able to. You can also translate this as I used to. So ndandi kwazi, I used to be able to. Ukuqhuba imoto, I was able to drive a car. For you, it would be wawu. So again, you have the wa, which we had for the fourth past tense, the remote past, and then just the u, you play. So it was then that you played. Wawudlala, umboko, you played rugby, or you used to play rugby at the time. Sasifunda kunye. Sa, we, in the remote past. Si, we are learning. So it was then that we are learning. We used to learn, or we used to study together. Some examples. Ubuyepi izolo. Where did you go yesterday? Or uyepi izolo. Bendiye kulo mama. I went to mother's. This kulo is like at the house of, to the house of. Bendiye ezivenkileni. I went to the shops. Ubuchentoni. Or uchentoni. What did you eat? Ndiche iziqhamo nesonka. I ate fruit and bread. Ubusenza ntoni, wenze ntoni. So what did you do? This S doesn't mean anything, it's just a filler, which we have in many cases in Xhosa. So between the ubu, you were doing something, and a a verb that starts with a vowel, we need to fill it with this S. Ubusenza, you were doing what? Or wenze, you did what? Ndihlambe iimpahla nezitya. I washed clothes and dishes. Izitya would be dishes. Ndenze ikofu, I made coffee. Ndenze iti, I made tea. So I don't need the filler when I just say I did or I am doing. The present and the past tense, enza, enze, doesn't need the filler, but when you use the continuous past, I was doing, you were doing, then we need to have this ubusenza, bendisenza. Nihambe nini, you guys went. When did you guys leave? Sihambe kakutshona ilanga, we left when the sun set. Tata, awufuni ukuthenga iphepha. Dad, don't you want to buy the paper? Hayi mntwana wam, bendilithengile izolo. No, my child, I bought it yesterday. You could also say ndilithenge izolo, I bought it yesterday. Or bendilithenga izolo, I was buying it. Bendilithengile izolo. Here a question to Xhosa speakers if you're listening. Ukuba ungumntu othetha isiXhosa njengolwimi lwenkobe, ungasebenzisa isiphi isivakalisi? Ucinga ukuba ukhona umahluko? Ndishiyele uluvo lwakho ngezantsi enkosi. So, some more examples. Khange ndikubone ixesha elide. Long time no see. Here we have again the simple form of negating a past tense sentence. Khange, never, like it was not ever. Never I saw you a long time. Khange ndikubone ixesha elide. I didn't see you for a long time. Khange utsho. He, you, or she didn't say. Cho is a special verb that means to say so. Khange ndibone oko. I didn't see that. Khange ndikwazi. I wasn't able to. The standard negative past would be andikwazanga. I wasn't able to. But this is very used in spoken Xhosa, khange, and in the simple present in the affirmative. Khange ndikwazi. Ingxoko, conversation. Ubusenza ntoni izolo? Umhlobo ubefikile. Besiye esinema sonke. Benibukele eyiphi imovie? Besibukele imovie yamangesi, uJames Bond omtsha. Ibinjani? Ingaba ibinika umdla? Andazi, bendilibele izibuko zam. Khange ndibone kakuhle. And some examples in the remote past. These are common questions you could hear when you introduce yourself or get to know someone. Wazalwa nini? When were you born? So you have the remote past for you. Wa. Zalwa is to be born. Zala is to give birth. The wa is the passive ending. So you can think of the noun for parents, abazali, because they are the people that give birth, zala. Wazalwa nini? When were you born? Wakhulelaphi? Where did you grow up? Khulela is to grow, or khula. Khulela, at which place did you grow up? Ndazalwa ngo-1989 eNelspruit. Ndakhulela eKapa. Ndahlala phesheya. Wafundaphi? Ndafunda eYunivesithi yaseRhawuti. Ndasebenzela isikolo somculo. Ndaba nomsebenzi esikolweni. So the verb to be, ukuba, is never used in the present tense, but in the past and the future. You still have the ba. So ndaba, I was with a job, I had a job. Esikolweni. Wawuyihlala iqakamba ngeentsuku zakhe zeyunivesithi. Hayi, ndandidlala intenetya ngeentsuku zam. So, did you play or were you did you used to play? Wawu yidlala it. Iqakamba is cricket. Ngeentsuku zakho, in the days of yours. Ze-university of university. Did you play cricket in your university days? Hi. Ndandidlala. No, I was playing Indonesia is tennis. Ngeentsuku zam, in my days. Enkosi ngokubukela.